Here in Meghalaya, we can eat snake, rat, scorpion. It is your choice. Eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. So here is BGP SHANBOR. I prepare already to eat scorpion 1 power, eat insect 1 power. I used to eat dog. We can eat snake, eat scorpion, insect, whatever. We can eat whatever.